I get this question a lot. Mosh, how many of your students are making $5,000, $10,000 to $30,000 a month? My answer is everyone and no one. Does it make sense? No, Mosh, it doesn't make any sense. Okay, I'll explain it in a moment. Do you have any other question? Yes, of course. Tell me, how many people are consistently making money? Everyone and no one. Oh, really? That's confusing. Okay, so I have just noticed that your students are making like $500 to $1,000. Where are the rest of the money? Well, let's go and jump on to my computer screen. So first of all, my name is Mosh Bari, and I'm one of the top vendors in Warrior Plus, top vendors and affiliates on Warrior Plus, and I do digital marketing since more than a decade. And if somebody knows about how to make money from selling digital products, I am one of them, right? So you can see my products be sold on Warrior Plus, and tons of money, tons and six figures products, and one of them made over $332,000 from one listing, and I made $1.5 million from this product from many different sales, and it did $100,000 in one day, $250,000 in 7 days. However, let's go to the bottom, and I want to show you one specific number, and the number is not $5.5 million. I don't want to show you that we sent 4.3 million visitors to make this money. All I want to show you is this particular number, $1.26 visitors value. Can you see that on the right hand side? $1.26 visitor value. So people purchased my products, and on the average, every visitor we send to our sales pages, we earned $1.26 on the average from low ticket products. Again, low ticket products. Make sense? Low ticket, cheap products. Low ticket products. Now, how much affiliates made? 62 cents, because they made like 50% commission. So if I want to make $10,000, what do? I will send 10,000 visitors to my offers. Make sense so far? All right, now you want a proof of affiliates made money or not. So I have a screenshot already. Let me take the screenshot out. So this one here, let me first control. Okay, so I have over 16,000 affiliates who made money from my products. Like this, okay? And these are the commissions they made. Now that's not important. What's important here is this. They made on the average 56 cents per click. Not visitor, per click. So they made more money from each visitor. Okay, now we don't want to go into detail of what is a click and what is a visitor. One visitor can make multiple clicks. So if you make money from clicks, money from clicks should be less than money from visitors. So they're making good money. I hope that makes sense so far. Now let's go to high ticket. High ticket is what we are talking about, right? Let's go to high ticket. This is one of our high ticket offers. I got a screenshot and I have it right here. This is the live account. Look at this. This is a live account. And this is our high ticket product. And on the other page, I have the results from our affiliates. Okay, let's go to how much money we made from our high ticket offer. Now, this offer actually made $100,000 more from another account, but from this account, we made $365,000, which is not important. What's more important is each visitor on the average paid $7.13. Now, whether someone purchases or not, on the average from all the visitors we got, we made sales, and from sales we made $7.13 on the average. You look at this here, right here, $7.13. Now, if I want to make $70,000, how much visitors should I send to my offer? 10,000 visitors. So it's super simple and it's predictable number. It has been happening since months, since the time we launched this program. It's pretty much same, $6 to $8. Okay, now what happens to the affiliates? Our affiliates or our students are making 50% commission. So they should be making $3.56 from each visitor, right? Now here is what they are making. Let me first undo all these boxes. Okay, so these are my affiliates. I hid their names for privacy, and look at this. These are the commissions. Now, none of these commissions are like $5,000 to $10,000 on a regular monthly income. So what is this? Our students and our affiliates are making money from every visitor on the average. Look at this, one of them, $5.47 compared to $3.56. So they're making more money. Another one making more money 3 times. Another one making more money. Another one. These are all making more money than they should be making per visitor. It makes sense? So every affiliate who are sending visitors to their funnels, they are earning money, and actually earning more money than they should be earning. Now you might be asking, then why are they not making $5,000 to $10,000 a month? Well, I'll come back to that. I'll answer you. But before that, you might also be asking, why are some people making less money? Now, here is something very interesting. I hid all their names, and I'm not going to say they're he or she. I'm just going to say they, okay? Now, everyone has their own choices of how they want to run their business, and everybody is free to do whatever they want in our program. Nobody has any obligation to promote our program or any other thing they want. All we want them is to learn the basics and use it the right way. Now, a couple of our students, okay, one of these students who are not making that much made good money as commission, but is not making enough visitor value, dollar per visitor. I have reached out to them personally multiple times, giving them a couple of solutions that they need to adopt, but they never did that. They even sent direct traffic to their affiliate links instead of sending traffic to their funnel. So they're making these mistakes and diluting the value of their visitors. However, it's not a problem. They are still making money. The money is still there, 38 cents, not bad at all, okay? But other people who are making more money, they are doing what we taught them to do. Now you might be asking, Mosh, what happens to others who are not making money? Because another one has been using a different webinar than the webinar that's working for everyone, including me. So it's his own choice. Due to that choice, it hasn't been working. And he also wasn't doing the right DMs the right way. And he was not coming back to us. We literally almost never found him on the weekly live Zoom coaching calls. These coaching calls are free, and we do it to help our students. Everybody's free to do whatever they want. If somebody wants to take advantage of that, it's awesome. If they don't, that is also awesome. It's up to them. But the results you can see. This is the results. Another one never responds to any messages, never comes to the live trainings, and never even asks questions. Sometimes that person asks questions, and if I answer on the DM or chat, that person is gone for weeks until comes back, checks my reply, maybe responds back, maybe not. And interestingly, that person never made a single video. Wow, really? Yes. Though that person might be using different methods of generating traffic and working to some extent, of course, not so much. But as you can see, these are the reasons. Now, I have more to show you, something amazing to show you. But before that, the answer to the question, why they see these results, but they're not generating a lot of visitors to make, like if they want to make $30,000, why are they not generating 10,000 visitors per month? This is a screenshot of a chat with a person. This happened today. He asked me, can you see that? I have been seeing your videos since 4 to 5 months now. Right. This is the message. So I have been seeing your videos from 4 to 5 months now, but it's very hard for me to figure what will be best for me. I would like a passive income for me and my growing family, which can really help us to be independent and out of 8 to 6 job, which I am doing. Now, he's been following me since 4 to 5 months. A lot of our students, before they signed up to our program, have been following me for a year and for months, for weeks, for days. So people take a little time before they decide to pull the trigger and take action. They need this time to build trust with you. And the way to do it is by showing up with your valuable content every single day. And that's why every morning I wake up, I pray, I switch on my computers, cameras, lights, and I shoot videos every single day without failing. So if somebody wants quick results, somebody is frustrated because they're not getting results or they're not getting a lot of results, it's because it's pretty simple. They're not sending a lot of visitors, which is the only thing an affiliate is supposed to do. And the people who are sending visitors, they are making real money. It's pretty simple. So this is why everybody is making money. And this is also why everybody is not making money. Does that make sense? So it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it works perfectly. So if you are watching this video before signing up to our program, then know that the program works perfectly. It works for average students, complete beginners, and there is a reason why something is not working. All you need to do is to come back to us, show up on the call, show up on the our community group, ask us questions, let us review your work and help you out. Now, talking about help, here's something I need to show you. Like, this is so interesting. I have been doing different stuff and trying different stuff. I do test new stuff, new strategies to help our students so they can get results easily and faster. So I've been doing something new, believed in myself, tried it, and I got really, really good results on Instagram and TikTok both. So a lot of people out there are struggling to grow, but my strategies have been working. So here's the result. One video recently got me 24,000 followers, 6,000 followers, 41 followers, 2,900 followers. Each videos are getting these followers, okay? So my system is working. So recently, we have added over 50,000 followers on Instagram by using this formula. And similar, not that much, but similar on TikTok as well. A lot of people are struggling on TikTok because TikTok is updating their algorithm, and we figured the solution. And look at this, from one video, very recent, 15,000 followers, new followers, or 16,000 followers from just one video. Another video, 664, another video, 314, another video, 225, another video, 635. We have been doing this and we are getting results. All these followers are visitors, okay? They are making us money. All right, now let's go. I have been failing as well. Look, 10 followers, 4 followers, 4 followers, 5 followers. So when there is a failure, there is a win, we go back, analyze, and find out why something worked, why they didn't work. And we go out, teach our students. So here's what happens when we try to teach our students. I'm not blaming anyone. It's everybody's choice how they want to run their business. But I posted this a couple of days, I think 2 weeks back approximately, saying that, hey, we got this kind of results and I want to show you every morning on live Google meeting, and it's open to everyone. Come join the meeting and I will make videos live in front of you and I will show you how I make videos and I get results. You know what? only 5 people joined these meetings so far. We have recordings of all the meetings. Interesting. We have recordings of all the meetings. And interestingly, none of our students have asked for this recording so far. So literally, only 5 people so far joined these meetings, and only 2 of them actually took action. And they got some results, some good results, better results than they usually get. And if they stay consistent, they will get massive results. Now, if you ask why somebody's not getting results, it's because it's their own choice. Do they want to get results? It's awesome. It's open. Everybody's doing it. Just go ahead and get results. You need our help? We are always there to help. But if you want to choose how you want to run your business, then the results are in your hands. So if you are watching this video before signing up to our program, know that we have a comprehensive course. We have a members group, which is a community to hang out with other members, share values, share results, ask questions, get us to answer your questions, solve your problems, review your work, and show up on the live Zoom calls. Show up when we want to give you something free. And do what we ask you to do. Simplify your work instead of complicating it. And we are there to help you. But if you take our help, it's guaranteed that you will get results, inshallah. Look at this. Our students are getting results, and their results are beyond average. And if you are already a member of our program and you're doing well, keep it up. Come back to us, take our help, take advantage of all the benefits of the program. If you're not getting results up to the mark, then also you need to get your work reviewed, and maybe you just need to simplify instead of complicating it. So come back to us and we will help you. We are there for you. Your success is our success. That's it. So if you haven't signed up to the program yet, just sign up and start today. It works. I'm one of the people who knows how to sell digital products online, and I'm ready to help you. You'll find me as a mentor. And if you want a team, we have a team. If you need others, like-minded students, we have other like-minded students. They're crushing it. So come join us and start making money. And if you are still in our team, but in our program, but you're not doing it, start today. And success is yours. We can't wait to see you succeed. Take care. Bye-bye.